Setting up an Apprenticeship Service Account can be done in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Registering an account. Step 2. Adding your pay-as-you-earn scheme reference number. Step 3. Confirming your organisational details. To register an account, you will need an email address, the government gateway login for your organisation. If your annual bill is less than £3 million, then you can use your account's office reference number and employer payee scheme reference number. The authority to add payee schemes to your account, as well as the permission to accept the employer's agreement on your organisation's behalf. You may also need your company's house number, charity number, or public body name. If you do not pay the apprenticeship levy because you are a small employer, you will need your payee scheme reference number. This can sometimes be known as your ERN number or your account's office reference number. If your business has no employees, you may not have a payee scheme reference number and therefore will need to register as an employer with HMRC to be given one. If you have recently received your payee scheme reference number, there are a few steps you'll need to complete before setting up your account. You'll need to submit at least one payroll return to HMRC using their basic payee tool. If you're not employing someone, this can be a blank employment payment summary. Notify HMRC that you will be taking on an apprentice under your business's payee and submit the data required. At the sign-in screen, you'll need to click Create Account. This will take you to a blank form in which you'll need to input your details. After clicking Set Me Up, the user will be prompted to enter a code which has been sent to the email they have just entered. There will then be 2 options as to add your payee scheme reference number. Those organisations who do not pay the levy tax can use either option. However, those who do pay the levy will need to add your payee scheme reference number using the government gateway login. After successfully entering the payee scheme reference number, you will then be prompted to check your details to confirm you have entered them correctly. Once all this has been done, the user will need to view and accept the employer agreement. Please make sure you have the authority to do this on behalf of your organisation before continuing. If you do not have the authority to accept this, you can click I'll view it later. However, until this has been accepted, functionality on the account will be limited and funds will not be able to be accessed. Finally, you will be taken to the account screen. The user that has registered will automatically become the account's owner, but will be able to add additional users as needed under the account section of the page. Thanks for joining us for this tutorial. For more information and resources, head to our website www.theapprenticeshiphub.com.